all struggling traders out there, you are not alone. Traders are struggling, but what matters or what differentiates between struggling traders is the finishing the race. Will you finish the race? This is my story, and this is how trading humbled me to this point. Please, if this video will provide value, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment. What should I begin from? Where should I start from? That was the questions I was asking myself as I was being introduced to Forex trading. The year 2022 November. And those were the questions I had. My first aim was to be rich as quick as possible, to meet my dreams, to meet my needs, to be able to provide for myself, to be able to rent a wood house, to be able to buy some good clothes, to be able to provide food at home, to raise my, like, meeting all the necessities of my life. I thought that this is the way forward. Having known all the consequences, remember, I had nothing like worry about Forex trading. My aim was to make money, and my aim was to live a life I saw from the so-called YouTuber. I thought that this is the way forward, and this is the thing I was to do the entire of my life. Tell you what, guys, the journey was not as I thought it would be. Moreover, it took me as we're speaking now, we are ending this year. It took me losing money. I lost the money. I lost even my emotions, cause what I thought turned into the nightmares. The small hard cash I got, I invested into my account, and the markets were not friendly to me. The markets gradually preyed against me, and I lost it all. I remember investing my first capital, that was almost $20. Little money, but it is as comes Africa, that is my money to the average person like me. So what I decided to do was to go again into the field and search for for another cash, so that I invest into my portfolio, into my account. So having known all the consequences, spending 2 to 3 months without trading, because I thought that maybe it was not meant for me. But the desire to make it big, but the desire to grasp all the conditions of Forex trading, I say no, if someone can do it, I also can do it. So I tried. I went on to practice, to know more about Forex trading, to read books, watching all the tutorial guidance from YouTube videos, notes about the trades, about the session and all. I remember all this. I decided to sit down and teach myself how to trade from scratch, because I had no money for mentorship. All the session. So this is my trading book, and it contained all the information. I was taking the notes I was taking from YouTube videos, so that I can be a good trader. And what I'm saying is, it paid off, because I remember I started practicing on the accounts. I started knowing the trading sessions. I started knowing price action, supply and demand, all those, so that I be in the top goals. Because if you're a trader, it's about psychology, it's about you and the markets, it's about how you operate the markets. Not a green is not a game, it's not a gambling thing. It's about philosophy, it's about the psychology, it's about analyzing the market, knowing and forecasting where the market will go and where the market will it go upwards or will it go downwards. Upward movement, that is a bearish trend, and downward movement, that is a bearish trend. So you have to be knowing when, where, and how the market will behave in order to be on the safe side of the market. So having passed all that, I'd say I'm going to be one of the best traders in my entire generation, because I tested it all and I have seen all. But the thing I had, the consequences I faced were I had no money for capital to start. I could spend a month working for a 9 to 5 job in order to facilitate my trading account, and in turn I blew the account, so it made me lose confidence in trading. But as long as I kept on grinding, learning, practicing on the more account, I started believing in myself that no matter what, no matter where, I'm going to make it big, and that's what it paid off. So I remember sleeping late, waking up early, so that I could try to practice, try to demonstrate all the things I'm learning in order to put them into practice. I changed the habits of trading, because I could just trade, I could just gamble the trades, and I could just bang into the trades minus knowing when the trades are going to be taking place. So, and what I remember was, one of the things I don't remember was just trading all the instruments, the majors, the minors. I could just trade, and it brought confusion to me. I was like, will I understand this? For you could look at the pair, for example, let's say Euro USD, it could move sideways, and GBP USD could move. So trying to grasp it, it brought me confusion. So I decided to say, let's first focus on one pair, and that pair was GBP USD. So I gave it time, I gave it trading time, and I tried to analyze the price movement, the key levels, all the time frames, all the lot sizes, and I remember that's when I started seeing money. You are not alone in trading. People lost money, but they kept on pushing. You can win it back if at all you manage your risk. Don't give up on trading. If at all you started it, you can do it. Peace.